Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on replacing the keyboard of the MSI Creator Z16. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure your device is completely powered down to avoid any electrical issues. Now, let's remove the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, unscrew all the screws located on the back panel. There are typically about 10 screws, but check your specific model as this may vary. Keep these screws safe in a small container to prevent losing them. With all screws removed, take your plastic prying tool and gently pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the cover in place. If you face any resistance, double-check for any screws that might still be attached. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. For safety, disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard using your plastic tool. This step is essential to prevent any accidental power surge while you work on the keyboard. Now, look for the screws that hold the keyboard in place. These are generally located around the keyboard perimeter. Remove them carefully and place them in your container. Next, gently lift the keyboard from the top. Make sure to detach any ribbon cables connecting the keyboard to the motherboard. Use your plastic prying tool to lift the connector gently, ensuring not to damage it. At this point, if you're not comfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert help if needed. After removing the old keyboard, it's a good idea to clean the area. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help ensure that your new keyboard fits perfectly and operates smoothly. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the connectors. Carefully attach the ribbon cable back to the motherboard and press down until it clicks into place. Ensure the keyboard is seated correctly before fastening it back down. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the keyboard. If you find any screws missing, we can help with pickup and delivery at your home to retrieve the necessary hardware. Once the keyboard is secured, reconnect the battery by placing the connector back into its slot. Next, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you took out earlier to ensure everything is secure. Finally, power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. Make sure all keys are functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind before proceeding. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your MSI Creator Z16. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.